How to fix Uber driver app can't go online problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of Uber driver app. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Uber driver app on our device. Make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection as well, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now after doing that, what you can simply do is make a long press on the Uber driver app and then tap on app info. Now it will lead you to a new page of app info where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options such as camera, files and media and so on by going to each option and giving that access. After that, you just need to go and tap to re-login or login and open up the Uber driver app and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.